Guys, magpiprito na tayo ng lumpia natin ginawa guys ha. Yung ano guys, yung palaman natin isda guys ha. Isda. Tamban, mura-mura guys. So, yan, basic na guys. Oh, yan. Oh, tikiman time na guys ha. Oh, try natin. Oh, yan, lutong guys ha, lutong ha. Yummy pa, pwede pang ulam guys ha. Wala kang ulam to na guys, basic na basic guys. Tapos may ginawa pa tayong ano guys ha, yung homemade natin na sweet chili sauce ha. Oh. Sigurado guys ha, ubos talaga to guys. Oh, yummy ha. Yan, sarap guys. Oh, nilagyan pa natin ng sauce sa loob. Oh. Sarap. Thank you guys for watching. Oh. Ayan guys ha, ingat-ingat lang ha. Thank you guys. Bye bye.